Introducing the EPS Floorstanding Water Cooler, Dispenser and Advanced 4-Stage Ultra Filtration System. This unit is seamlessly integrated into one elegant design that is ideal for domestic or business environments. When installing, please ensure the surface is level and avoid installing the cooler in humid or damp areas. Also, ensuring you maintain a minimum 15 cm gap between the unit and the wall where you are installing. The EPS Floorstanding unit is for indoor use only. To install, first remove the outer cover by sliding the cover down and out. Remove the clip from the quick release push fitting on filter 1. Then remove the blind plug and connect the 1/4 inch feed pipe. Replace the clip to secure the pipe in place. Feed the pipe through the hole provided at the back of the unit. Next, connect the drain pipe provided to the drip tray on the front of the unit. Feed the drain pipe through the hole at the back of the unit. Connect both pipes to the inlet and drain pipe plumbing as needed. Once completed, replace the outer cover by sliding the cover door in and up. Plug the unit into a dedicated socket. Turn the switch on at the back of the unit. You will see a blue light indication on the front of the unit when it turns on. Open the water supply valve. This must be open for the unit to function properly. The drip tray can be removed as needed for cleaning and draining. Please note that it takes approximately 1.5 hours to reach full water level, depending on your water pressure. After installation, drain out the water after it has been filled up to full for the first time inside the tank. Please refer to the operational manual for further installation guidelines and useful information. How to change the filters on your EPS water cooler and dispenser. The EPS water cooler dispenser features an advanced 4-stage filtration system. Filter 1 is a sediment filter. This removes the large particles like sand, silt and rust, ensuring a clean and clear appearance. Filter 2 is the carbon filter. This eliminates chlorine, taste and odour, causing contaminants and some organic chemicals, leaving your water tasting fresh. Filter 3 is the ultrafiltration membrane. This powerful membrane, with pores as small as 0.02 microns, effectively removes various bacteria, providing superior filtration. The UF membrane allows beneficial dissolved salts and minerals to remain in the water. Finally, filter 4 is the post-carbon filter. This final polishing stage ensures your water has a crisp, clean taste by removing any remaining traces of taste or odour. EPS's 4-stage ultrafiltration system filter can easily be replaced in 2 minutes. First, switch off the unit from the back, then remove the outer cover by sliding the cover down and out. Remove the clip from the quick release push fitting on the filter. To remove the pipe, push down the collet and pull out the tubing simultaneously. Pop out the filter cartridge from the bracket and remove any remaining tubing. Remove the quick release push fittings from the top of the old filter cartridge. Remove the plastic cover and plugs from the new filter cartridge. Place the quick release push fittings on the top of the new filter. Slot the filter back into the plastic bracket and reconnect the tubing and feed pipe, making sure to secure each with the clips provided. Filter 3, UF membrane, can be accessed by removing the 4 screws on the bracket and pulling the filters out. Once you have completed your filter change, replace the outer cover by sliding the cover door in and up. Then turn the switch on at the back of the unit. You will see a blue light indication on the front of the unit when you have turned it back on. After replacing the filters, please ensure you dispense at least 3 litres of water to activate the new filter cartridge. It is recommended that you change filters 1, 2 and 4 every 6 months, while filter 3, the UF membrane, should be changed every 12 months. This also depends on water usage. Always refer to the operational manual for more details. EPS, Rethinking Water.